In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply background pattern to a cell or group of cells in a table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, go ahead and first select the cells that you wish to apply the background pattern. For my case, I wish to apply on these cells. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on Table Design, and this will open design options for your table. Go ahead and look for borders and then click on this drop down arrow, and under this go ahead and choose borders and shading. If you click on this, now you'll get this dialog box. Go ahead and click on shadings under borders and shadings, and then here it's time to apply our patterns. So under our pattern, go ahead and choose the style of the pattern you wish by clicking on this drop down arrow, and if you scroll down you can see we have quite a number of patterns you can choose. Go ahead and choose your preferred pattern. For instance, I'll choose this, and then once you're done you can go ahead and also choose the color. So I'll click on color, and then I'll select my color here, and then once you're done, now go ahead and click on OK. Once you're done, now if you click outside you can see the pattern or the background pattern for the cells above have been applied. So that's how you can apply background patterns on a cell or a number of cells in Microsoft Word tables. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.